Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to show you guys my fireworks stash video. Now I felt like making this. I got the little stuff first. We got an artillery shell, 6 shot. Comes with 6 mortars. Here are the sides. The effects. Top, little instructions and the warning. Here's front, just to let you guys see. I got this for $10 off a dude on Facebook, which was pretty cheap. I had bought 3 of these, but I already used 2 boxes. And then I got this Phantom Rolling Thunder, which I already did an unboxing on. I got all this stuff in it. This doesn't come in the pack. This is what I got off the same dude. This was basically $6, $1 each. I had bought 3 of these too, but I used it already. And then this. There's a whole bunch of stuff, I already did a review on this. Yellow jacket, some bottle rockets. I'll just do a quick rundown if you've never seen that video. More bottle rockets. Copperhead. As you can see, I already shot 2 off. Here are the effects. Red wave, green wave, purple, green, puny, yellow, blue, puny, yellow wave, silver glitter with stars. Oh my bad, that says peony. I'm kind of dumb for that. It comes with a Saturn battery, 25 shot. And then this one, Toot and Twirl, 7 shot. The camera focus. Shoots flaming balls right there, top. Then, yeah, the yellow jacket. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you the top of the Saturn battery. And this one, little Happy Planet, 36 shot. See the top. The fuse. Where's the fuse? Alright. Then another pack for my candles. This one did come in the box with the assortment. As you can see. It's just like the little ones. So it comes with 8. It's 8 strips of firecrackers with pack. And smaller strips, packs. And then 7 packs. So it came with 8. I already blew one up. 8 packs of Morning Glories. A pill. I never used this before. A couple of M98s and silver salutes. And then 2 big sunflowers. Baby sunflowers. I kind of opened it already. Used a couple. And one thing that's missing that was in here was a happiness fountain. I used it up already. And then 2 tanks and 2 packs of Morning Glories, like small. And then we got the 2 packs, but bigger ones, taller ones. And we got 2 different types of bottle rockets. We got the Howling, which is like different, and then this one is just like crack or something, and then pack of ground blooms, as you can see. And then I never tried these before, but the Galaxy Assorted Floral Shells. Never tried that before. And then yeah, put that. Let's go on to the next thing. We'll put this aside. So that's what we have right now. Now on to bigger thing. A 24 canister shell Quest from Brothers. I shot 2 of these up already too. Here's the price. There it is, 65, and you only get one. But I mean, last time I bought them, they were like 100. I mean, I didn't spend 100 on them, but here's the tube Quest by Brothers. This one's kind of poorly built. I don't know if you can tell, but look, it's like falling apart. I don't know, but I'm gonna put bricks on them, so it really doesn't matter. So there's the shell, or the mortar. And canister. As you can see, there it is. Sorry for the glare. There it is. I don't think this one tells you the effects. It just tells you the warning, and this must be up and stuff. So you can see I already shot 2, but I only shot 2. And yeah. And then that. Okay. Let me just put this back so I can show you. I can show you the sides of the back and stuff. Alright, put that back in. I might do demos on this, I don't know. Depends if I have time. Hold on, let me pause this and I'll be back. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I just had to pause this so I can close the box, but there's the Brothers logo in the front. Okay, and the side, Quest, 24 canister shells. Back, different Brothers logo, the original maker of canister shells. Side, top, and well, there's nothing on the bottom, but there it is. Alright, let's put that aside. This is my favorite one. My favorite canister shells. The 24 canister shells Excalibur. I don't know if you guys would like to see that, but there it is, so you can pause it. Alright. And then world class. #1 in the world. There's the price, same thing as the Quest. Focus. There it is, $65 plus tax. Then we get one. Here before I take them out. There's the side of the box. The instructions. And that's it. Oh, and here are all the effects. This jumbo, all those. Alright. As you can tell, I already shot 2 off. Sorry about the lighting. Here, let me open this. These are my favorite, because especially they're loud, they're big, and look at the mortar. Like, compared to all of them, this is like the best mortar you could get. I mean, I don't know, I think this would like pipe. It hurts if you hit it. And I shot 2 of these off, as I said before. There it is. Let me try to wrap up this video. What are you doing? 10 minutes. And there's the shells. I like this one because it tells you the effects as well. But let me pause this so I can show you my overview and I'll be back. Alright guys, well, this is everything that I got. The overview. This is basically what I just got. this I got for $40 off my cousin. He got 3 of them, but he offered me 40, so I took it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and enjoy.